Hello everyone, in our last video we have just unboxed Lumix S1. So in today's video you will see that how you can update the firmware of Lumix S1. So see this tutorial. Now you first have to switch on your camera and you see that displays here. Now you have to press the mini set button. Now the third option is of settings. Now you have to go to settings. In other settings you will see that this last second is firmware version. You have to click it. As you can see, the body firmware version is 1.5, which is already updated. So as we already told you that if you wanted to update your firmware, then you have to first install in your memory card, and when you put your memory card in your camera, then you have to go to firmware update, and it will ask you whether you wanted to update it or not. So we have already updated, so it shows that message. Now as you see that how easy it is to upgrade the firmware of Lumix S1. So if you like this video, then hit the like button, and if you want to know something more about this Lumix S1, then go to the very first link in the description box. This is Divya from Tegonity Product Reviews. We will be back with some more amazing videos. Do subscribe our YouTube channel for more upcoming amazing videos. Till then, goodbye. Take care.